Today I want to show you a super fast and original way to make a puff pastry and how to create incredibly delicious and beautiful triangular meat puffs. I welcome you to my Love Cooking channel and let's get started. Step 1. Quick puff pastry. To prepare puff pastry, we will need only 4 ingredients: flour, warm water, melted butter and salt. At first, add 1 teaspoon salt to 1 cup of warm water and mix. When the salt dissolves, add 500 grams of flour. And start to knead the dough. The dough in this recipe needs to be kneaded well for about 5-7 minutes. This is an important stage. Please take a minute and subscribe. Your attention makes me happy. Cover the dough and leave for about 15-20 minutes. Step 2. Make the filling. 500 grams of minced meat, 3 onions. Also add your favorite spices to taste. Chop your onion and combine everything together. The filling is ready. Step 3. Make the dough puff. Roll the dough into a thin layer. Today is such a sunny day and I want to wish you a happy and wonderful day. Roll it out as thin as possible. Grease with melted butter or even better, room temperature butter. Roll up the dough. And then stretch it a little. Divide the roll into 16 pieces. Carefully flatten each piece to form a nice spiral pattern. I want to note that the dough here is incredibly pleasant to the touch. Looks amazing. Cover and put in the freezer for 20 minutes. Step 4. Form the puff pastry triangles. Roll out each circle and add 1 tablespoon of filling. Form into a triangle and pinch the edges. I like this way to make puff pastry. It is so quick and easy. And as a result, we can quickly make incredibly delicious sweet or savory treats. Grease the triangles with a mixture of yolk and 1 tablespoon of water. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30-45 minutes. The oven is preheated, so let's go bake these amazing triangles. After 35 minutes, let's taste. Crispy puffs with a spiral texture. Fragrant and juicy savory filling. Bon appetit! They are still hot and smell delicious. Thank you for watching, and I wish you happy culinary masterpieces.